How to Reverse Type 2 Diabetes, a step-by-step guide. Imagine a life where you no longer have to worry about constant blood sugar checks, insulin shots, or the fear of complications. What if I told you that reversing type 2 diabetes is not only possible but achievable? In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to take control of your health and work towards reversing diabetes naturally. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the root cause. To reverse type 2 diabetes, we must first understand its root cause: insulin resistance. When your body's cells stop responding effectively to insulin, glucose builds up in your bloodstream, causing high blood sugar levels. The good news is, by addressing insulin resistance, you can potentially reverse the condition. And the steps to do this are simpler than you might think. Step 2. Transform your diet. Diet is the cornerstone of diabetes reversal. The goal is to stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. Here's how. 1. Prioritize low glycemic foods. Focus on foods that don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Think leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. 2. Embrace healthy fats. Incorporate fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. 3. Reduce refined carbs. Say goodbye to sugary snacks, white bread, and processed foods. Replace them with whole grains, quinoa, and legumes. 4. Try intermittent fasting. Research shows that giving your body longer periods without food can help lower insulin levels and improve sensitivity. Remember, you don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Start small, swap one processed meal for a nutrient-dense alternative. Step 3. Move your body. Regular physical activity is another key to reversing diabetes. Exercise improves your body's ability to use insulin effectively. 1. Start with walking. A simple 30-minute walk each day can significantly improve blood sugar control. 2. Incorporate resistance training. Lifting weights or using resistance bands builds muscle, which helps your body process glucose more efficiently. 3. Stay consistent. The type of exercise matters less than consistency. Find something you enjoy and stick with it. Physical activity doesn't just help with diabetes, it boosts energy, improves mood, and enhances overall well-being. Step 4. Manage stress. Stress can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels by increasing cortisol, a hormone that makes insulin less effective. To reverse diabetes, managing stress is crucial. 1. Practice mindfulness. Meditation and deep breathing exercises can help lower cortisol levels. 2. Get adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, as poor sleep is linked to insulin resistance. 3. Engage in relaxing activities. Whether it's reading, gardening, or yoga, find activities that help you unwind. Step 5. Monitor and adjust. Reversing diabetes is a journey, not a race. Regular monitoring is essential to track progress and make necessary adjustments. 1. Check blood sugar levels. Use a glucometer to understand how your body responds to different foods and activities. 2. Consult with your doctor. Work closely with your healthcare provider to adjust medications as your condition improves. 3. Celebrate small wins. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory worth celebrating. Step 6. Build a support system. Having a support system can make all the difference. Share your goals with family and friends, or join a community of people on the same journey. Encouragement and accountability go a long way in maintaining motivation. Reversing type 2 diabetes is not about perfection, it's about progress. By understanding the root cause, making strategic lifestyle changes, and staying consistent, you can take control of your health. Remember, the steps we've discussed today, transforming your diet, exercising regularly, managing stress, monitoring progress, and building a support system, are powerful tools to help you reclaim your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing and reversing diabetes. Together, we can take this journey toward better health one step at a time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.